Hi, my name is Tyler Davis. I'm a senior at Mountain View High School, and I'm here to talk to you about your opportunity to help Evergreen Public Schools put students first. Evergreen Public Schools is putting a replacement levy on the April 26th ballot to support the programs that students like me have grown to rely upon and need. First, the good news for taxpayers: the replacement levy is not a new tax. And since our last levy proposal, the school board has listened to voters and are proposing a replacement levy that will actually lower your overall school tax rate. Instead of a 3-year levy that started at $1.92 and rose to $2.12, the district is asking taxpayers to consider $1.70 per $1,000 of assessed value for all 3 years of the levy. Combined with our decreasing construction bond, voters' overall local school tax rate will drop to its lowest level since 2018.
We know how the past year has been tough on families, and we also know how difficult the pandemic has been for our students. And we also know that it's really important to fund the programs that our students rely on both socially and academically.
So, what will this levy pay for? Programs that are not just about academic success, but are also vital for students' social and emotional well-being. Things like our fee-free athletic programs, instrumental music and choir programs, our theater programs, and school nurses help keep our students healthy and in class. And as statewide mask mandates have been lifted, it's important to help students return to fully funded programs that have helped lift them up through the pandemic.
I'm absolutely so grateful that my students were able to find themselves again after the pandemic. A lot of them kind of lost their way, and music has just been such a powerful tool for them to find community and to find themselves and to find that belonging.
So, what's at stake if this levy fails? A loss of local levy funds, which accounts for 11% of the district's budget, would require Evergreen Public Schools to make cuts or even eliminate programs important to students. Olivia Uverman is a senior at Union High School who has been on the tennis, soccer, and basketball teams. She fears what cuts to popular programs would mean for future students.
Well, my sister is actually a freshman in high school right now, and I would just hate for her experience to be any different from mine, any worse. I mean, we've had just such amazing resources, equipment, coaches, everything here, and I can't imagine it being different for her and future generations.
1, 2, 3, roll!
Our brand new middle school soccer program is funded with levy dollars, and we've seen firsthand how much our 6th, 7th, and 8th graders love it.
If you're interested in joining middle school soccer, you should do it because you may never know what the outcome might be. You know, you may say, oh, I'm not that good, but when you learn from friends, coaches, you're gonna get better eventually.
So, as you consider this levy proposal and all of the critical student programs it funds, note that you will be helping students connect to their school communities and their education.
I really like the community. It's always felt kind of like a second family to me, and I've just been able to meet so many great people and get to learn from really, really great musicians.
For more information on this replacement levy and the important programs it will fund, visit our website, evergreenps.org, and please remember to vote on April 26th.